Hey Audi, when will I reach my destination?
You will reach your destination in 6 kilometers and arrive at 13 o'clock, 12 minutes.
Nice.